What's up, y'all? This is iKid Steve-O back at it again with another video, man. Y'all already know I'm coming with the bangers, man. So, hey, y'all stay up close, man, and stay on the sideline, man. But anyways, man, we actually are about to install this. Now, I've been seeing this all over YouTube, you know, stuff like that. And also, I'm like, it would look good with my car. I'm like, I want to give it a try. So, anyways, let's get tuned into the video.
So what is he installing?
Installing the LED lights, a little trim kit. So trim kit is just pretty much gonna go, you see how this is made or whatever. It's just gonna pretty much go around all my dashboard and I think supposedly down here and stuff. Well, I'm about to actually see it right now. So yeah, I mean this thing, yo, I was actually struggling with this for like 30 minutes to try to figure out how to actually activate this thing or get this thing to go around and actually turn on. And now we ain't gonna talk about it. But anyways, so I guess as you go, it actually activates as you go when you plug this into your thing. Easier as I go, but it just takes a few tries to actually stick it into that. The corner is like the hardest.
How long does this take to install?
I mean, to be honest, it really takes like 10 to 15 minutes depending on how fast you are. But I mean, of course, I'm just having a hard time with this. But of course, this is my first time actually doing this. But man, I'm actually gonna see how this thing work, y'all, and we're gonna see y'all when we actually cut this car off and it's actually more darker outside. What's up, y'all, man? This is Steve-O, man. But anyways, this is the best. I mean, like, this is one of the best interior mods you can do for $60 or $70. You can literally go buy this at AutoZone, bro. Like, literally. It's an easy mod. You can either hardwire it or plug it into your adapter thing, power thing. So, anyways, this is the final result, y'all. But this, I mean, I enjoy this, man. I love this. Like, it just turned my car like just into a whole different type of ball game, for real though. Like, but yeah, y'all. I'm gonna be posting more content or whatever. I've just been busy with work or whatever. But y'all actually comment on what y'all would like to see or next video I should do, and I will save those ideas in my notes and I will make those videos happen. But y'all guys gotta be patient. Subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and like this video and share it with your friends, family, everybody you know. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is a banger.